Good morning from my garden. This is Sue Ellen Hale with Sue Ellen's Lilla Rose, and today I'm going to talk about how to figure out your base ponytail size, which will help you determine what your other sizes of Flexi-Clips are, because you may be in love with the Flexi-Clip now, but you're not sure what size to get because it's a lot different from a regular hair clip that you buy at a big box store or a drugstore where you just pick the clip that's on the shelf and that's what your choices are. We have 7 different sizes to choose from, so you need to know which size is your size. I just fed my animals, so hopefully they will be quiet enough for me to do the video, but once they finish their food, if you hear a lot of noise in the background, that would explain that. These are my cucumbers this year. Aren't they lovely? Okay, so to figure out your base ponytail size, there is a super easy test that you can do even without having a clip, just to have a good idea of what size you're going to need. It's called the coin test. Got my flexi sizes right here. I'm going to tip the camera just a little bit so you can see better the sizes. So down at the bottom we start at the mini and goes up to mega at the top. You can see I've got some coins laid out too. So I'll show you how to figure your base ponytail size, but we're going to use the coins as examples. So if your base ponytail is about the size of a dime, you're going to start with the mini. That would be really fine hair or little girl hair. If your base ponytail size is about the size of a nickel, you're going to do the extra small. That's the second one up from the bottom. And if it's about the size of a quarter, you're going to do the small, which is the Celtic knot clip, third up. If your ponytail is about the size of the $50, you're going to be a medium, which is that lovely, beautiful purple clip there. Most people, hang on, got an alarm going off. Most people can do their ponytail in the size small. If your hair is really thick, you may need to go up to a medium. It is rare that someone's ponytail is large enough for these larger sizes, but it does happen. And super fine hair or little girl hair is going to fit into the mini or extra small. So now I'm going to show you how to do the coin test and what size my hair is. So to do the coin test, you make yourself a ponytail. This is going to figure out your base ponytail size, and that's what you're going to use to figure out all your other sizes. So you start with your ponytail, wrap your hands around the ponytail, and then slide it out. The hole you have left is the coin size that we were talking about. So my hole is about the size of a quarter. So I'm going to use the small Flexi-Clip for my ponytail. So the small that I have with me this morning is the Celtic knot, and I'll show you how this works for my ponytail. You just gather your hair together. Put the pin under it. Go through. And there's my ponytail, size small. Easy as that. And we also have a 90-day set sizing guarantee. So if you get your clip in and you realize, oh, I should have gone up or down, then it's easy to send it back and get an exchange free within the first 90 days. Lilla Rose even pays for your exchange shipping. Most people can fit their ponytail in a size small, like I mentioned earlier. A few people with really thick hair can go up to a size medium. For little girls or toddlers, you can do a ponytail in a mini even. And some people can do it in an extra small. I can use, sometimes, depending on how fluffy my hair is that day, I can use an extra small for a ponytail. The most common size to give to other people as a gift is an extra small, because most people can do something or other with an extra small. The majority of the people can do at least a half up with an extra small, or pull some amount of hair up with an extra small. Ladies with really, really fine hair can even do all of their hair in a full twist with an extra small. So I'm going to show you how I can do the half up with an extra small. I just section off the portion of my hair that I want to be in the half up. I hear honeybees. You put the pin under, go through the loop, and there we have the extra small half up. Like I said, most people can use extra small for something, so if you're buying for a gift, extra small is always a good choice. This one is called the Freestyle, and it's got the Princess Tiara centerpiece. We have a Princess Tiara that's silver and clear beads. This one has lots of different colors in it. It's beautiful, goes with lots of different outfits. So you would figure out your base ponytail size first. Usually down one size from your base ponytail is going to be, so many alarms. Down one size from your ponytail could be a half up or extra small. For most people can use extra small as a half up of some sort. So then if you're going to wear a ponytail, go with your base ponytail size. If you're going to wear a tails up, you would also go with your base ponytail size. So I'll show you how to do a tails up. I don't wear this very often because the length of my hair leaves a lot of hair sticking out, and I rather have it rolled in. So I'll show you with my base ponytail size being small. I'm going to use the small Celtic knot again. You start with a low ponytail and just twist as you go up. Oops, my ends are getting tangled. Did y'all hear my baby rooster learning his crow? Okay, then with the small clip that I use for my ponytail, you just go under, grab the top of the ponytail, and this is the tails up. Now with longer hair, sometimes you might not want to do a tails up because it covers up the pretty clip. But sometimes, if your hair is in a ponytail and your neck is still hot, trust me, I'm in Texas, I know. If your neck is still hot, you want that hair up off your neck, so you'll do that whether the clip shows or not. And I also do a tails up like this for my little girls because it doesn't look as grown up as the French twist, in my opinion. So on their hair, when I put it in, I will do more of a separation and put the tails over to the side so that the clip does show more. And that looks really cute on them. So the next size up would be for your French twist. So since my ponytail is small, my French twist is going to be one size up, which is a medium. This clip is called Violet. Beautiful purple. Perfect fit for my garden. I try to grow a lot of things in my garden that are purple. I have some purple green beans growing right beside me on this side of my trellis. Okay, so for the French twist, I'll show you how to do that real quick. I show this a lot. This is usually what I demonstrate at if you see me at a craft show or at the market. This is what I'm going to show you how to do first. I do a little twist, roll it up, and then the clip goes up at the top, like that. Super easy. Could you see that? Get closer. This is a super easy French twist, one size up from your base ponytail size. Now, if you're going to do a bun, for myself, the way I do my bun is one size up from the French twist. So this is our kaleidoscope clip. It's got a red and black and turquoise. It's another gorgeous clip. A little bit of bling right in the centerpiece. There's several ways you can do a bun. I'll just show you the basic going around type bun. Oh, I'm almost out of time. So if your hair is really thick, obviously, it's going to take more than just one size up to get your hair into the hairstyles. So if your hair is really long, you're going to have to go 1 or 2 sizes up. I'm trying to hurry because